you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Alright guys, back with another video. It's going to be kind of short because I'm trying to beat the rain. So we're going to have to make this quick. So just a little update. I had to put some terminals in the box. So what I end up having to go get is we got some cutout wheels right here for this grinder. Picked this up like $14 at Harbor Freight a long time ago. So like I said, we got a bunch of tools that we tend to use here and there. So we got that, and we got the 1/4 drill bit right there, and we got these right here from Lowe's. So we got quite a few of those. You got your tool that goes with this here. And of course you got that, you put that back on there, you put your wheel on. We're gonna cut these down about 2.5 inches. And we got the bolts and stuff, the washers. Get everything right there. I don't know, what a Home Depot bag. In the back of there. So we got washers and nuts and everything like that. So we got everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up, and we'll be back. Alright, we got these out. So let's put some back like that. Yeah. Alright, so we got everything back out. Put some like terminals in there. We had our terminals in there at first, you can't really see, but it's under there. One for the lights. So we got that in there, so it won't be coming out right here. A way to look a little bit better. So all the wire and stuff will be out of there, and we'll get it cleaned up. So y'all stay tuned, we'll be back. Alright, well, had to run back to the store again to try to get some little stuff. I'll tell you what, we're gonna end up having to order a whole bunch of stuff really, because you know we always end up needing something, and we don't, you know, have it or something always going on. Long story short, so had to make a run to the store and get what we need. And like I say, man, y'all just, I'm trying to get this in. It's been looking like a lot of rain here lately, so y'all can see it's cloudy right now. So we're trying to beat it, but as usual, for the last week or so, we've been trying to get it in. So yeah, but if you got a chance to order some stuff out of Amazon or any car audio dealer or whatnot, you got supplies, go ahead and do that. That way you don't have to run the Home Depot and Lowe's and spend a small fortune for the same stuff that you can get. But y'all be sure to use code BASSWITHKEV to shop at all your car audio retailers or whatnot, dealers or whatnot, and get what you need. So let me go ahead and get started. We're gonna do this and we'll be back.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.